Ever wondered how documents magically transform from chaotic paper piles to signed digital agreements? The secret lies within the Docusign envelope. Today, we're diving into what exactly a Docusign envelope is and why it's the cornerstone of managing your digital signing process. Think of a Docusign envelope as a digital container, just like a physical envelope you use to mail important documents, but instead of paper, it holds all the components needed for a smooth and secure signing experience. Inside this digital envelope, you'll find the document or documents that need to be signed. This can be anything from contracts and agreements to forms and invoices. Docusign supports a variety of file types, ensuring compatibility with your existing documents. The envelope also contains recipient information. This includes the names, email addresses, and signing order of everyone involved in the signing process. You can specify who needs to sign, initial, or simply review the document. Crucially, the Docusign envelope also manages the workflow settings. This includes things like automated reminders to recipients who haven't signed, setting expiration dates for the envelope, and defining the signing order. The Docusign envelope plays a central role in tracking the entire signing process from the moment you send it out to when all parties have signed. You can monitor its progress, see who has signed, and access the fully executed document. By organizing all these elements in one place, the Docusign envelope streamlines document management, enhances security, and provides a comprehensive audit trail. So, the next time you hear Docusign envelope, remember it's more than just a container. It's the engine that drives your digital signing workflow.